Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, you guys have been asking me to do a video, more business videos, so that's what I'm doing. So in this video I will basically be telling you guys all the lip gloss essentials that you need to start your business. So I already did a video similar to this, but it was basically telling you everything to start your business below $50, but this one will be everything that you need to start your business. So stay tuned. So the first thing you'll be needing, the main product, is Wholesale. This is the 3.5 bag. I paid $57 plus tax and everything, came up to like $60 something. TAB has raised their prices like twice since I started my business. It's ridiculous. I did find some other vendors, but I have to try them out before I let you guys know that they are legit. So for now, I use TKB Trading, and yeah, this is this is the 3.5 bag. There is the 30-pound bucket, and the other one is, I believe, 5.5 bag, and that's like $6.45. But they are changing drastically, and I'm not liking that, so I'm looking for other vendors that I can use. That's only for the Wholesale though. For pigments, I also get it from TKB Trading. That's all I would want to keep using them for. Not the Wholesale, because they are getting out of control with the prices. Of course, it's on high demand and everything, so I guess that's why they keep raising it. But we can find some other vendors, you know. But yeah, so I got these pigments from there, and these were basically $165 each. It's either $165 or $265, and this is the half ounce. This is the half ounce bottle. This is also from TKB Trading. This is the preservative oil. This one is also the half ounce. This is the bigger bottle. This one is 2 ounces, and I paid this one. I believe I paid like $4 for it. Don't quote me on these prices because I'm not too sure. I'm not looking on the website right now, but I believe that's how much I paid for it. And again, I'll leave everything in the description down. But I will leave everything down below in the description box. I will leave the link to everything. So yeah, these pigments are also from TKB Trading. These are the powdered. You can get micro pigments or the regular powder. I recommend the liquid because it's better to work with. The powder, you're gonna have a lot of mixing, but it's all up to you, your preference. I got both because I got used to it. So yeah, I got both of them. These are my go-tos that I use right now. I do plan on changing them soon. These I am selling the vendor for because I got it from Alibaba, and listen, it took me days to find a vendor that is affordable. So I paid $300. No, I didn't pay $300. I paid like $158 including shipping for 300 tubes. If you guys want that vendor, I am selling it for $5. My camera has different angles because I keep turning it off and turning it back on so it don't overheat. So I'm sorry about that. So these lip gloss tubes can be purchased on my website. These is the 10. What am I saying? This is the 10 ml. As well as these little jars, these sample jars. You don't necessarily have to get these, but if you plan on selling samples for those who want it, then you can purchase these from my website as well. The fruit slices is not necessary, but it's up to you if you want to be creative or not. It's all in your best interest. It's up to you. What else? These are for my wholesale. Not wholesale. These are for my starter kits. I'm sorry. If you guys want to purchase these are also on my website. Your labels. I get my labels from like 3 websites. I get my labels from like 3 websites. These are from Avery. I paid like, it was like $20 for 54. These are the 3 inches, I believe this is. These are gonna go on the starter kits, as well as the, what you call that, the bubble mail, as well as the bubble mailers. Everything's a tongue twister. I don't know why, or is it that I speak too fast? That's a problem. But yeah, these are for the bubble mailers, as well as the the word could never come out. So this is for this, okay? You don't necessarily, I wouldn't say necessarily have to get a printer. If you don't have one, you can print it at Staples. I print mine for my job. So these are all shipments I have to get out. I'm going to do another video on that, on how I package my orders. What else? The syringes can also be found on my website. I buy these in bulk. So yeah, you can also purchase the syringes on my website. Okay, these are also for your labels, your shipping labels. It's a sticky. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. If you don't have regular paper, you can use these. These will cost you more, of course, but it's not necessary. It's up to you. If you want to save yourself some time, you can just peel this off and stick it. Whereas these, you have to cut it and then you have to tape it to the box or the bubble mailers. So these are my old labels. I have to get the new ones. These are basically for my sample jars. Whatever I sell in the sample jars, like lip gloss, the glitter confetti, or fruit slices, this will be the label for it. I use 3 companies for my labels. I use Avery, I use sticker.com, and I use Sticker Mule. I just basically look for whatever is cheaper for the size labels that I need, and what I go by. Is no specific one that I necessarily use. I do have a video on how I purchase from Avery. I will leave that down below as well as the website I use to do my logo. So you don't have to pay anybody to do your logo. You can do your own logo. I have a video on that as well. I will leave that down below in the description box. What else? These are my scented oils. I feel like it's something in here. These are my scented oils. It's like 6 of them in here. I also got this from Amazon. There is a difference between scented oils and flavoring oils. It's all up to you which one you use. I use both of them. I use flavored and scented. My flavoring oils are from Get Suckered. I had to get the bottle because I can't remember the name. Like I told y'all, my brain is always fried. I could never remember shit. So these are from Get Suckered, and they are the flavoring oils. The scented oils is from Amazon. Remember that? Remember that. What else? My bubble mailers, I got it from Etsy. I'm gonna try to figure out a different website I can get it from, because those are only $50 and it's for like $16. I feel like that's too much money. I feel like I can get it cheaper. Like, I really sit at home 5 o'clock in the morning, up to 5 o'clock in the morning when I have work at 9 o'clock, researching where I can get stuff cheaper. And that's how I find out information. And I come in here and give it to you guys. So, yeah, I'm still going to show you the bubble mailers. These are my organza bags. I also got these from Amazon. And my lip gloss tubes do fit in here. But I feel like I need a bigger one. I usually just go like this. So it's big enough for both of them. There's the other lip gloss tube. So I feel like it's big enough for these. But for my lashes, I do need a bigger one. As far as the sizes, I cannot tell y'all the difference. Like I said, I just do my research and that's how I figure things out. My thank you cards. I'm gonna change these because I seen somebody else with this, and when I first started my business I didn't know how to design on Avery. Now that I do, I'm gonna be changing everything up. Like, stay tuned for a rebrand video, not necessarily like different items, but more of my different logo, different business cards, different tubes and stuff like that. So basically let's just have 5% off on 5% off on the back. I don't know if you can see that. And then these were my business cards that my roommate helped me with because he's a designer. And he did it so perfect. But I have to change this on here. So I'm going to ask him if he could just change this for me or whatever the case is. Because as you guys know, a lot of people have this logo as well. These are all mistakes that I made. I had bought this off of Etsy. The logo itself, I bought it off of Etsy and so many people had it. So I had to make my own on PixArt. This is the bubble mailers I bought from Etsy. These are super cute. I just have to find a way to get it cheaper for more. Alright, so the pipettes. The pipettes is a 3 ml. And these are also sold on my website. You need spoons, plastic spoons. Some people use the metal spoons. I don't like washing stuff. I don't like washing dishes. I hate washing dishes. So that is just a no-no for me. If I could get bigger plastic spoons like these, that's what I'm going to get. But for now, this is all I use. And it works perfectly fine for me. Also... And I got those from the 99-cent store. These are also found in the 99-cent store. Like I said, some people use the plastic ones. They're reusable. I don't like those because I don't like to wash dishes. And also, I usually get the bigger ones to these as well. I ran out and I haven't been to the 99-cent store because of everything going on. So, yeah, I get these from the 99-cent store. Just throw them out right when I'm done. I don't have time to be washing dishes. No, not me. I don't know how I forgot about the oils. I thought my video was done, but okay. So this is the coconut oil that I use. And it's the fractionated coconut oil, also found on Amazon. You can get the bigger one if you would like. I will leave the link to the bigger one down below. The big one is a little bit too heavy, so I don't feel like picking it up right now. This is olive oil. This is the olive oil that I use. And these are just some oils you can use. Some people use sunflower oil. Some people use almond oil, castor oil. So all my oils are found on Amazon. This is the grapeseed oil. And these are also oils I use for my lip oil. So I use it for my lip oils and my lip glosses. Of course, I don't use them all together. This is the vitamin E oil that I use. So this is pretty much it for the video. If I left anything out, please let me know in the comments down below, as well as any other videos you guys want to see. I did put up a poll on Instagram asking you guys what videos you want to see. You guys said more business videos, so that's what I'm trying to do. If you want to follow me on Instagram, please make sure that you do that. And it is beauty by C_collection. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.